Welcome to Forex Trading Simplified. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the introduction to Forex trading. Without further ado, let's get into the lessons. So, what is Forex trading? In a layman understanding, Forex simply means foreign exchange of value of currencies. This simply means that in the Forex market, what is being exchanged in the market is currencies, unlike dollars, euros, pounds, gold, etc. Forex trading is a world financial market where billions of dollars is traded daily. Imagine you have a 1,000 naira note and a $1 note. Which one has more value? Definitely, it is dollar note. Reason is because $1 note is equivalent to 1,500 naira. And yes, this actually makes the difference. Forex trading also means that, for example, you have 1,000 naira in your bank account and you need a dollar currency to purchase something in a supermarket. What do you have to do? You take your 1,000 naira to the Forex market and you can thereby exchange it to 1.5 cents dollars and above. All right. You see, Forex trading is a very large financial market that trades about $4 trillion every single day. And this is where you can actually multiply your money to countless of dollars in weeks, months, or years. As I said earlier, trading is all about value. Everything you do daily is exchanging of values. For example, unlike your local commercial cabs, you have to exchange your money to a driver so that he can use his cab to take you to your desired destination. Or when you have to go to the food market to buy things, you take your money and exchange it for food. Or you take your money to a boutique and exchange your money to buy a new t-shirt. So what you are actually doing is you are buying while the other person is selling. This is how Forex markets work. Do you understand that now? Now, this is the most important part of this lesson. As I said earlier, trading is all about value. If your focus to trade Forex is because of just money, then you may lose all your hard-earned money in a very short period of time. Forex trading is the hardest way to make easy money. In trading, you can either end up being rich or end up being poor. It all depends on your mindset. This is a very important information that if you don't know, you won't make money in the financial markets. So in the next video, I'm going to tell you the paradigm shift of the mind, whereby you have to understand some things before you start trading the Forex markets. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.